Home remedies for oily skin. Oily skin can be a pain to deal. The accumulation of excess oil on the outer skin layer often leads to whiteheads, blackheads, blind pimples and other skin irritations. But there is one big advantage. Oily skin tends to age better and develop fewer wrinkles than drier normal skin. So, it's not all bad. 1. Egg whites. Whip 1 egg white until stiff and spread it on your skin. Allow it to dry and then wash it off with warm water. Do this twice a week. Whip 1 egg white, add the juice from half a lemon, and mix it well. Apply 2. Lemon juice. Mix 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice with 1/2 teaspoon of distilled water. Apply it on your skin using a cotton ball. Leave it on for 10 minutes, and then wash your face with warm. 3. Yogurt. Alternatively, mix 1 tablespoon each of organic yogurt and finely ground oatmeal. Then stir in 1 teaspoon of warm honey. Apply. 4. Tomatoes. Cut a tomato in half and rub it on your skin. Allow the juice to soak into your skin for at least 15 minutes. Rinse your skin. 5. Apples. Grate half an apple and place the shreds on your skin. Leave it on the skin for 15 minutes, and then wash it off with tepid water. Mix 1 teaspoon each of grated apple, yogurt and lemon juice to form a